Modern narratives rely on clarity, spacing, and well-placed frames to guide attention smoothly. Today, how to explore modern narratives. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert 2 or 3 frames arranged in a clean, slightly asymmetrical layout. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Add subtle line elements between frames to create flow, lowering their opacity. Slightly rotate one frame to introduce movement while maintaining balance. Use position tools to align everything carefully. Add minimal text using a clean font. This modern narrative layout